Good evening everyone, good evening, good evening. Welcome to my simple recipe today. Eh, Chicken wings na naman tayo guys. With a yummy chicken wings. Yan. Pinirito na naman tayo. Yummy guys. Yeah. Chicken wings. Yan. Ang pinakamadaling lutuin sa kusina guys. My simple vlog everyday. Yan, chicken wings na muna tayo guys. Walang ibang buwan yan. Prito, adobo, sinabaw. Pero yan ang pinakadabit na yan. Prito muna tayo guys. Yummy chicken wings. Ay. Ganon. Okay guys. Dito na muna at maraming salamat po. And good evening everyone. Enjoy life lang tayo. Thanks for watching again and God bless everyone.